Hi and welcome to my channel. This video will target electrical engineers and will solve the problems they face while designing a single-phase circuit for both Imperial and metric systems. Click Browse and select the electrical default template in the Imperial folder. In the project browser area, open the first level power plan. Let's create a wall here. In the Manage tab, open the electrical settings. In the Distribution Systems menu, pay attention to the single-phase, line-to-line and line-to-ground voltages. Click OK. Let's insert electrical equipment. By default, you will have a three-phase panel. Let's load a single-phase panel. Click Load Family. For the Imperial system, go to the path on the screen. Load this panel, the single-phase 120 volt MCB recessed. Attach it to the wall. Select it and notice it doesn't recognize any distribution system. Thus, you cannot connect anything to it. While the panel is selected, click Edit Family. Click to show the Family Types menu. Watch the panel voltages. It's configured to line to the ground voltage, and it contains one pole. Those are the problems with this family. Go back to the project and open the electric settings again. Now see the line-to-line voltage is 240 volts and the wires are 3. Go back to the family. Open the menu again and change the panel voltages to 240 volts in the formula field so you don't have to deal with parameters. Also change the poles to 2 at least. Click OK and upload it again to the project. Override the existing version. Now select the panel and now it recognizes the distribution system. Let's add an electric device to see if we can connect it to the panel. Select the receptacle and click Power. Click the panel drop-down list. And here is our single-phase panel. Now create a new project, but this time for the metric 220 volt systems. Go to the metric folder. Select the electrical default Great Britain ENU. This template is for 220 volts. The other metric is still 120 volts. By the way, I've noticed this problem with single-phase panels first in version 2020. And it still has not been addressed till now in version 2023. Open the first level power plan and create a wall. Open the electric settings and notice the 3-phase Y. We need to make a similar one, but a single phase. Click Add and name it as you see on the screen. Change the line to line and the line to ground voltages as you see. Click OK. Let's load a panel family from the metric folder. Choose the single-phase recessed MCB even though it's still 120 volts. That's also added to incomplete Revit families. I'd recommend renaming it later into 220 volt to prevent confusion. Attach it to the wall. Notice it does not recognize the distribution system too. Click Edit Family. Open the menu and change the fields in the formula column as you see. Load it again to the project. Override the existing version. Select it and now it recognizes the distribution system. Let's give this panel a name. In the Properties area, change the panel's name to SP1. Let's add an electrical device. Load a family. Choose this one, receptacle 220 volts. Select the receptacle and click Power. See, it recognizes our SP1 panel. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe and comment. Be in peace.